going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. As you can see, today we're gonna install universal side skirts or diffusers, or whatever you want to call them. I went up and checked out the car already, so you don't have to see me doing that. It takes time and make the video longer. And I like to get straight to the point. When you look up videos on YouTube, you want to go straight to the point, not make the audience get bored. But today we're gonna install this, like I said, side diffuser. It is from ABN Dynamics. It is a little flimsy. First step you want to do is measure the distance from the rear to the front. In this case, the center is 77 inches, and this is a little longer. So we're going to measure this and then cut it to size, and then we'll go from there. So let me get a quick tool, knife. So the tools you're going to need: measuring tape, the drill, a bit, and the side skirts come with bolts or nuts or screws. Screws. So you don't have to worry about buying any. And I got this little knife, handy dandy knife here. It's a hammer, it has a screwdriver. But anyways, so the cars measure 77. So what I'm going to do now is measure the side skirt 77 inches long and mark it and cut it. We're going to start from back here. 77 inches. I believe. Yes, 77 inches. So we're going to mark that. And then we're going to cut it and start putting it in the car. "77 inches, mark it. 77 inches, one side, mark it. I'm going to grab a guide so you can cut it straight. One, two, three, four, five. I don't have a saw or anything to cut, so sometimes you have to improvise. There it goes. Now let's get screwing and getting it in the car. I'll cut myself. We're gonna start drilling. I'm gonna make it stick out like an inch or so out of the car. I'll do one and then go from there, so I don't want to look looking all crooked. So we're gonna make another hole. Let's make sure the top's even. Then we can drill the hole. So they provided 20 screws, 10 for each side, so you can make sure it stays on there. So we're going to keep Going down just to hold it up, and then we'll install more screws along the way. Just it. Install one screw. Yeah, don't be afraid of hurting y'all's cars. That's what they're for. Just make sure y'all take y'all's time doing it, so y'all can do it right the first time. You don't have to go back and forth, redoing stuff. I had to order these before Christmas, and I didn't get to do them till now because I didn't want to rush into them. So I want to do them the right way. Because I didn't have tools. Like I said, I had to move to my own house, and all my tools were at my mom's. So I didn't want to be rude and take all the tools, so I left the tools there. Perfect. There you have it, guys. How it looks. Like it a lot. Not bad for $66. I like how it ends, wider, then thin. Thin, it goes back to white here. So that's it guys for this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up, share it, get it out there. If you want to keep on with my social media, it's going to be prestige_B17, and stay tuned for more little things that are going to go in the car. Nothing big for right now. Obviously now I have to put my priorities first, which is the house, and slowly build this thing, but it's gonna get there. See you on the next, guys. In the next video. The next video is gonna be install some fast release bumper, because they do pop out a lot when I air out. I've tried pulling this more. I'm gonna try doing it right now, see what I can come up with. But yeah guys, take it easy. See you on the next one.